So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about question set number 49. So you can just pause the video right and read the question. I think you guys have the time to read the question, so yeah, I will just start explaining to you what we have to do in this question. So this question requires us to do a backup in our database. So the database this question is mentioning is Ranabima SCHDB. So yeah, and here are the student table, student has table, subject table, teacher table, teacher has subject table. So student table has student details, student has subject tables has the details of the subjects and the students are undertaking. So these are all the subjects in the school. So these the details of teachers. These are the these are the details of teachers, and these are the details of the subjects that the teachers teach in school. Okay, so with all that in mind, let's back up this database. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay, you need to open up CMD. I think not with MySQL like client. So open up normally CMD. Better to run this as admin without any errors because that. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this path. This code means that we have to access MySQL bin in here, bin folder. So MySQL bin is the one that is responsible for executing backups for the what they called the databases. So okay, let me go to D directory here. Okay, why isn't it changing? Okay, now it is changing. So yeah, I mean you could go to I mean yeah, he is fine. So yeah, I'm going to be naming a folder as MySQL backups, and let me copy this and change the directory to this, and now we are inside this folder. So now you could first go to the desired folder. So change your directory to the desired folder, and then copy this. So that means this folder can access this path, this MySQL Server 8.0 bin 0 bin, and then now you could just use MySQL dump to perform a backup. So my name is my username is root, so password I will be giving this. So the database name is, I think, Ranabima SCHDB. Okay, so Ranabima SCHDB. SCHDB. The backup file name should be Ranabima SCHDB DB backup SQL. Let me run this and let me enter my password. Okay, so you can't put like revision here. I think let me try that once again without the deviations. And yeah, so this means this has been executed successfully. If we just go to desktop D and select MySQL backups, you could see like the following: the database has been backed up successfully. So the backup has been created successfully. So and that answers and finalizes our question. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again next time. Peace.